Samsung DeX just got a huge upgrade. Samsung DeX is a feature that turns your Galaxy phone into a PC. It's been around for a while, but the latest update makes it more powerful than ever. With DeX, you can use your phone like a desktop computer, complete with a keyboard and mouse. The latest update to One UI 8.5 brings several new features to Samsung DeX. These include improved performance, better multitasking, and enhanced gaming capabilities. The update also fixes a frustrating gaming bug that was introduced in the previous version. But how well does Samsung DeX work in real-world testing? One reviewer used DeX to replace their laptop for a week and was surprised by how well it performed. They were able to get work done, play games, and even use DeX to create content. So how does Samsung DeX compare to other devices on the market? One reviewer compared DeX to the iPad Pro and found that while the iPad is still a more powerful device, DeX is a great option for those who already have a Galaxy phone. Gaming is one area where Samsung DeX really shines. With the latest update, DeX is now capable of playing games at high frame rates and with low latency. This makes it a great option for gamers who want to play on the go. While Samsung DeX is a powerful tool, it's not without its limitations. One of the biggest limitations is the lack of apps that are optimized for DeX. This can make it difficult to find apps that take full advantage of the feature. So what's next for Samsung DeX? The company has announced plans to continue to update and improve the feature with a focus on making it more powerful and user-friendly. This could include new features like improved multitasking and better app support. In conclusion, Samsung DeX is a powerful feature that has the potential to replace laptops for many users. With its latest update, DeX is now more powerful and user-friendly than ever. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a more portable computer, DeX is definitely worth